All right, this question has a little bit of nuance to it. Give the lowest possible degree of the function graphed below. So here's a polynomial, and we need to count the number of turning points. So 1, and even though I slow down there, I'm increasing the entire way. I don't turn around. So I've only got 1 turning point there and 1 turning point there. So even though I've only got 2 turning points, that means my degree has to be at least a degree 3 polynomial. But I can see that this is a little bit more complicated than a degree 3 polynomial, right? There's a 0, there's a 0, and there's a 0. So I've got 3 zeros, but look at that 0 right there. I don't just pass through that 0 linearly. I kind of like think about x. X passes through the 0 pretty quickly. But if you have x cubed, it slows down as it passes. And that is what we have, right? That's the situation. So it's probably more than a degree 3 polynomial, even though if we look at turning points, that tells us that it has to be a degree 3. It's probably a degree 5 polynomial, right? We know it has to be odd because we have opposite end behavior. So the number of turning points tells you that it has to be at least degree 3, but the complexity of that 0 tells you that it's probably a degree 5 polynomial.